Mark, this is art. It takes real skill.
Oh, hogwash. My kid could do that. Oh. And we're back for another episode of My Kid Could Do That. Sometimes your parents say things like that because they see a work of art and they're like, that looks easy. My kid can do that. And on the one hand, it's not easy, but sometimes it is. But I do believe, and we do believe you can do it. And so you're here to draw with Professor L, and that's why we're here. So you can draw a picture and actually look good, and you can show it to your friends and your family and feel really great about it. And in that, God is honored by it. You know, sometimes it's just about having fun, and God's good with having fun, along with learning and along with thinking about these things. So I think we got to get right to it. And this week, I'm thinking about Duty Funderdoodle. And, you know, when he's roaming around, sometimes he needs some friends. And I was thinking he needs a sheriff. That's kind of like his partner. When he comes into town, the sheriff's like, we're glad you're here, Duty. And I'm thinking, I don't know what to call him yet because my name ideas are not there. But I know he's got to be a sheriff. He's sheriff of something. And so maybe you can help me think of his name. But I think we should try to draw a sheriff that has a big old pencil as part of his weapon or his tool to use to defend the town from big old dusty erasers flying around everywhere, trying to erase everything good. How about it? Okay, so we're going to draw this cowboy. And cowboys need hats. They need stuff. But we got to make room for this cowboy. So I'm going to make a little mark right here. You see I left a little bit of space? This is the space above his head. And I'm just going to make a mark down here on my page. So I want my cowboy to fit somewhere into here. And so I'm going to make a little mark here, and I'll make a mark here. Now, what I did is I took my finger, and I'm saying 1, 2, 3. You see that? 1, 2, 3. Same size. So I'm thinking about the face being here, the body coming through here, and the legs coming through here. So I want you don't have to do that, but I want to just tell you what I'm doing as I'm thinking through how to maybe envision this guy. And I think heads, start kind of circular. So I want to give this guy a circular head. Hopefully you can see that. Can you see that head? And then we're just gonna let's make a little body for him. This ain't gonna be exactly the way the body goes, but it's gonna give us something to work with. So I know legs are going to come down. Even if I change it, I want to, we want this guy to be in an action pose. We want him to be kind of like he's doing something. So I always make a quick sketch like this and see how it's very simple. That way, if I mess up, I can change things. I never have to stay with it, but it at least tells me something about where I want to go. So I'm thinking, he's going to be somewhere here. And I want to make this one looking like he's going off to battle. He's going to town because he's a sheriff. And there's some bad guys that are trying to come into town, and Duty Funderdoodle ain't around yet. So I'm going to have to make sure that everything stays the way it needs to be with law and order and beauty. Stuff like that. So I'm just imagining he's got a Western accent, sort of. So let's see, make him a nose, and we'll make him some eyes. And I might change these eyes, you never know. But I just want to get it in right now. And then we're going to get in his ear right here. So we got to make a cowboy hat. So I'm going to make this cowboy hat whip around almost like a potato chip. Potato chips have those folds. And I want him to look like he could hang out with Duty. So we got to make sure that he kind of looks like that. We'll see. We'll see if I can get it today. Now I'm going to pause here and let you take a look. Kind of get an idea for where we're headed. Let's see. Now remember, whenever we're making a drawing, I'm always going to come back to it with the marker once I know if I got what I like. So one thing I'm probably going to do is make his face a little bit smaller and then bring his chin in a little bit so his mustache hangs over the edge. And let's do this. We're going to make him, he's going to look a little bit mean. Last time we made a guy, he looked pretty friendly. But I'm going to make some scribbles here. We don't want him to look scared, but we do want him to look like he means business. He's like, I've been seeing these robbers here for a bit, and they need to return all the stuff they took. Okay. So, we got a little start here. Not sure if I like it just yet. You stay with me. We'll figure it out. I might have made some things too wide here. We'll see. Now, I want to make his, I definitely want the pencil to come this way. So I'm going to give myself a point. And we're going to have him, let's see, make his arms right here. So I'm making a little circle there because I'm telling myself where I want his arms to be. And then I want him, because he's a sheriff, he's got to have a scarf, something cool with a tie around the back. And he's definitely going to have a star. And so I'm going to place his arm right here. So his arm's right there, and his other arm is here. So if his shirt comes down, he is ready to go. Mm-hmm. So you take a look. You can look right down, and then you see where we're at. Remember, doesn't have to be perfect. We're just having a great time. Sometimes surprises happen when you're drawing and you're like, well, that's a surprise. And so we just have to decide, do I want to take the surprise with gratitude? Thank God for it, which I think is the way to go. The Bible says to rejoice always and be grateful in all circumstances. So sometimes a mistake is a nice surprise and we just thank the Lord for it and learn from it. So learning can be fun when you're open to, mistakes, and make him a vest. He's got to have a belt because cowboys got belts. Put a vest. Apply the vest here, and then let's put a little star here. That is not the happiest star. I'll try to correct it when I go to marker. When I lock it in. Once we go to marker, we know that we're locking it in. That's it. It's go time. Put this finger here. I'm imagining he's holding this almost like he's like playing a fiddle. Kind of like his hand is holding it, and it's resting on his shoulder. So if I put the sleeve here, we just wrap it down, swing a little line here, then we just bring it back. Just bring it back, boys. Because all we're trying to do is make that pencil come right through. Because at Made Makers, we like to talk about the pencil. Pencil is the foundation. It does everything. If you're an animator, a designer, a painter, you're always using a pencil. So we can't go wrong with that. So we got the cowboy here. Here's the thing. You can add different details if you want to, once you get a feel for how you want this guy to look. If you want to change it up, if you want to make him, happier looking, if you want to add to his eyes, you just do what you think is right to really push this guy forward into exactly how you want him to look. So here we are. Now I'm going to do this here. He's got a little holster here where he keeps other pencils. And then we keep his foot back, foot forward. He's got the action step because he's stepping towards. He's not running away. He gladly takes responsibility for his role. A lot of people don't like to take responsibility, but he's like, I'm the sheriff. I'm here to do that. And in that way, he's imaging a little bit of the way Jesus is. Jesus took responsibility for other people's problems, all of our problems. He said, I'll do it. Send me. And the Father sent him. He went freely. Before the foundations of the world, he said, I will deal with the problems of humanity. And the sheriff, in a small way, is saying the same thing if he's a good one. He's saying, I'm going to take responsibility and deal with these messes. And so sometimes he's dealing with the messes of other villains that are trying to make a mess of things in his town. And he helps out Duty Funderdoodle because sometimes Duty has to do it with friends. He can't just do it by himself. We need friends. God said it's not good for man to be alone. So that means it's not good for Duty Funderdoodle to be alone. He's got to have a partner. So I think this is enough to kind of start inking it and seeing where it goes. Obviously, I got to work on this hat, so I'm real excited about that. So I'm going to try to go in slow here and show you. I'm going to take my glasses off because without my glasses, I got to take them off to see. But let's see here. I'm going to start this off and swoop this line down. Now you wait for me to do a little bit of this hat, and then you take a look at what I've done. Remember, we're using contour line, and you can come in and color it in when you're done. So we need another line here. And then we have the band of the cowboy hat. We're going to do now. I'm going to make him look a little bit intense, but it's not to be scary. It's just that he is definitely trying to make sure that he's doing his job and he is focused right now. He is a man of focus. He sees a problem and he wants to fix it. So once I finish these eyes, I'll take my hand away and let you take a look. And you can add in. So you can take a look at what I've added in. Now, what I want to do is fill in the mustache. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to add these little details for the scarf. Now, and with the scarf, we can make little circles, polka dots if you want. And I'm going to find this line. Remember, when I'm coming over, sometimes I'm tracing the line perfectly. Sometimes I'm moving it because I think it's going to look better. And you just have to experiment. You can't learn without playing. And the nice thing about these is you can have little differences and it'll still look like a great little character study, a great little cartoon concept that we can build from. And we're using line and curve. We're working general to specific. When I first lay out the marks, that's what I'm working on, general to specific. If you've taken any of our Made Maker classes with me, especially in the beginning, K through 5, you know that. You can look and see that I'm teaching some of these principles and now we're using them. Using searching lines, line weight, how hard I'm pushing down. Let's see, let's do this. We're going with a different design. Yeah, might be running out of marker, so I'm going to be careful here. Okay, so he's getting there. He looks like he likes to eat some chili. So I'm going to add some buttons here. We have a chili cook-off coming up, and I got chili in my mind. I got to think of a great chili recipe. How many of you like chili? I do. Especially now that I'm getting older when it's not too spicy. I like it when it's not spicy. Maybe this year I'll win the competition. I have never won. I've yet to win. We keep doing it every year, and every year I don't win. But it's fun, so I do it anyways. All right, I like how this is coming. Now I got to make sure we get this action pose down because he is a man of action. He can't hang out with Duty Funderdoodle and not be a man of action. Just can't do it. He's got his really stylish boots on. And remember, at any time, you can pause the video and just take a look at what I'm doing and just stare at it and copy it and play it back so you can study with me. So when I'm moving quickly, it's just to show you it. But then you can pause it and you can really take your time and come back to it. If you're like, hey, wait a minute, just pause the video at any time. It's going to be here for you. So you use all the time you want. And if you enjoy this and you're new with us, check us out with mademakers.com. Come to our platform and take a look at our whole curriculum, all our classes. We got such great stuff you can learn about the Bible, about Jesus, about art making, all different styles, sculpture, design. We do all kinds of stuff. There's just so many things that you can learn. And this is just we want to really make sure we're not losing track of the fact that when we do art, we got to have some fun. It can't just all be heavy, hard learning and serious and new things. We also just got to practice. And I think, for me, when I was a kid, I loved drawing characters. I loved making up stuff. And so I would come back and use my eraser in this drawing and erase out all my pencil lines. So then all you see is the figure. And what that gives me is a great image to build from that I probably could color. And again, I'm always going to leave this open for you guys to color and take these anywhere you want. But what a great gift. It's a cowboy. He's ready to go to action. He's there to help, and he's got his giant pencil. And if you had a giant pencil, can you imagine how big the drawings that you would make? Can you imagine how big they would be? That would be fun to find out. So who knows? Maybe he'll make us a giant drawing, and then maybe you'll make one too. But if you need help, go back and play the video again. Pause it. Take your time, look at where I left the lines and look at where I outlined them. Some of those lines were just guiding lines to help me make the guy, and then I didn't need him at the end. So you decide for yourself, and I hope you have a wonderful time, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.